Hello teachers, in this video I will be showing you how you can log in into the Fliplearn app, and I will be sharing an overview of the homepage as well on mobile. Before we begin teachers, I hope all of you have downloaded the Fliplearn app. So once you download the Fliplearn app teachers, you will see the icon on your mobile as you can see on my home screen. So first of all, you have to click on the Fliplearn app icon. Once you click on the icon teachers, you will have this kind of a page that would get loaded. Over here, you have to choose the option of use your login and password, which is there at the bottom of the screen. Once you choose that, over here teachers, you have to enter your login ID and password to log in to the app. I am using a demo ID to log in and show you how the app looks like teachers. Once you enter your login ID, you have to just click on login to log in into the app. Once you log into the app teachers, this is the home page that you see. Over here, there are different options. Let me take you through every option step by step. So first of all, we'll talk about Fliplearn Prime. So in Fliplearn Prime teachers, you have all the content starting from pre-primary till class 12th. That means no matter which class I am teaching, I will have the access of all the content starting from pre-primary till class 12th. So let me just show you how you can see the content. So let me just take any of the classes. For example, I am taking class 4th, and as you see teachers, as I clicked on class 4th, you have all the subjects that are there in class 4th in front of you. Now if you want to teach any of the subjects, you just have to click on the subject. Let's assume I want to teach EVS, just have to click on EVS. And as you see, the topics in that particular subject will be in front of you. You just have to scroll down to see the topics. Over here teachers, you also see that there are different books as well. So if you want to teach EVS, you can teach book 1. If you want to teach social science, you can choose book 2. If you want to teach science, you can choose book 3. And if you want to teach comprehensive EVS, you can choose book 4. If you want to teach about festivals, you can choose book 5. So you can teach according to your will teachers. So let me just show you how you will access the content over here. So let me just take you through any of the topics. So in book 1 EVS, if I choose any of the topics, and as I'll choose the topic teachers, you see that the subtopics in that particular topic would get opened. And on the right side of the subtopics teachers, you have the numbers written. For example, over here, as you see, there is 7 and 1 written. So these numbers teachers tell the number of resources that are there in that particular topic. So these are the resources that are there in that particular topic. So you can go through all the resources and teach the students. So that was about the Fliplearn Prime. The next important option that you see over here are frequently asked questions, and from here teachers, you can get your basic questions answered. The next very important option that you see is the schools interface teachers, where FPS is written. Over here you will see your school's name written. Click on it teachers, it will lead you to the dashboard. So this is the dashboard that you will see, and this is from where you can create your live classes, you can share your homework, quizzes, and interact with the students. So that was the overview of the home page of the Fliplearn app teachers.